Hello dear students, I am Latarani. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Newton-Raphson method in numerical analysis. In the previous video, you studied about the solution of algebraic and transcendental equation by bisection method and regular Fosse method. Now, in this video, let us discuss how to derive the Newton-Raphson formula and some examples. Let us consider x naught being the real value of the root of the equation f of x is equal to 0. Let x1 is equal to x naught plus h be the exact root of the equation. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x naught, which is equal to 0. Now expanding f of x naught plus h by using Taylor series. We know that Taylor series formula f of x naught plus h is equal to f of x naught plus h into f dash x naught plus h square divided by 2 factorial f double dash x naught plus h cube divided by 3 factorial f triple dash x naught plus so on. Here h is a very small value, therefore its highest power is also gets the least value. Therefore, neglecting the terms containing h square, h cube, h to the power of 4, so on. Then we get f of x naught plus h, f dash x naught is equal to 0. That is, h is equal to minus f of x naught divided by f dash x naught. Substitute this h value in x1 is equal to x naught plus h. Therefore, we get x1 is equal to x naught. H is in a minus f of x naught divided by f dash x naught. Therefore, substitute, we get minus f of x naught divided by f dash x naught, where this f dash x naught is not equal to 0. Now, proceeding with x1 for a better approximation for x2. Then x2 is given by x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash x1. Again, the denominator function f dash x1 not equal to 0. Repeating the process, we get x3, x4, x5, so on. Then we write nth order approximation, that is n plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. This formula is known as Newton-Raphson formula or Newton iteration formula, and also it is called as a iterative formula. Now let us move on to the one example. Find the real root of the equation x cube minus 9x minus 12 is equal to 0 correct to 3 decimal places by Newton-Raphson method. Answer. Let us consider f of x is equal to x cube minus 9x minus 12 and its derivative f dash x is equal to the derivative of x cube is a 3x square minus the derivative of 9x is a 9 minus the derivative of 12 is 0. Therefore, f dash x is equal to 3x square minus 9. Here, intervals are not given. Therefore, we find out the intervals by taking x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to we get the consecutive terms or opposite sign. Let us take the calculator and check out the values. First, type the function in calculator. Alpha closed bracket, then x will be displayed in the calculator. Cube x to the power of 3 minus 9 alpha closed bracket minus 12. Now our function is displayed in the calculator like x cube minus 9x minus 12. Now press calc. Now put the x values 0, its value is minus 12, and again press calc, give the value 1, its value is minus 20. See here, that is minus 12, this is minus 20. Means f of x, f of 0 and f of 1 gives the negative values. Again press calc, then give the another value 2. Again press equals, we get minus 22. Then again press calc, give x as a 3, we get minus 12. Means x of 3 is minus 12. Again we get the same sign, that is minus 12, minus 20, minus 22, minus 12. Again press calc, give the x value as a 4, we get 16. Means f of 3 is a minus 12, f of 4 is a 16. Here the signs are changes. Hence in this term we get opposite sign. Therefore let us consider a is in a 3, b is in a 4. Its function f of 3 is in a minus 12, f of b is in a 16. See here, this is the negative function, this is the positive function. Its product is less than 0. In this case, in Newton-Raphson method, we consider only one interval because the formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. So among these two intervals from a and b, let us consider x0 as a or x0 as b. Here we use the one trick. The function of which term is very near to 0, that interval can be taken as a x0. Let us see here, among minus 12 and 16, here f of a is in a minus 12, f of b is in a 16. Neglecting the sign, we consider only the numerical value. Here numerical value is 12. In this case numerical value is 16. Among 12 and 16, 12 is very near to 0. Therefore consider x0 as a 3. Now we know the formula of Newton-Raphson. Xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. Substitute the function of xn and substitute the f dash of xn. We get like that. Xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus xn cube minus 9 into xn minus 12 whole divided by 3xn square minus 9. Take the LCM and simplify. We get xn plus 1 is equal to 2xn cube plus 12 divided by 3xn square minus 9. Cartesian equation number 1. Put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. We get the x1, x2, x3 iteration. Put n is equal to 0. We get the first iteration or first approximation. x1 is equal to 2 into x0 cube plus 12 divided by 3x0 square minus 9. Where x0 is in a 3. So put x0 is in a 3. We get x1 value. Then put n is equal to 1 in equation. In 1, here put n is equal to 1 in this equation. We get x2 is equal to 2x1 cube plus 12, 3xn square minus 9. Substitute the x1 value, we get 3.5295. Comparing x2 with previous x1, here the values are not in the same value. Again we go to the another approximation, that is x3. Again substitute the value, here we get 3.5. 522 3. Up to second decimal we have the same value in x2 and x3. That is 3.52. Here also 3.52. In the third decimal we have 9. Here we have 3. Again we goes to the another approximation, that is x4. Find out x4, we get 3.5223. Here x3 is very nearly equal to x4. Hence the required root up to third decimal is 3.522. This is the required answer. See here, this problem can also be solved by using the calculator directly. See how you see here how to solve this one. Now see here we have the xn plus 1 is sorry. See here we have the xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. By the calculator, we type the formula. What is the formula is there here? Xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. Let us take xn as an x. How to type x? Let us type alpha and closed bracket. Then x will be displayed minus. Here below the calc we have the ratio symbol, that is numerator by denominator. Press that one, we get numerator by denominator. In the numerator type f of xn value. What is f of xn value? That is nothing but the f of x equation, x cube. X cube means alpha closed bracket and cube minus 9x means alpha closed bracket minus 12. Now numerator is over. Then comes to the denominator. What is the denominator? F dash. F dash means nothing but 3x square minus 9. 3x square means alpha closed bracket. We get the x. Then square means here raise is there. Press that one. We get power 2 and minus 9. Minus 9. Now see here the equation is typed in the calculator. Now put x value as a x naught. What is x naught here? 3. Press calc. Put x value as a 3. We get 11 by 3. That is nothing but 3.666. Okay. Again press the calc. Put x value as a 3.666. Press equals. We get the 3.5295441. Okay. Again press the calc and type x value as a 3.5295. Press equals. We get the another approximation, that is 3.52235. 3.52235. Again press the calc and x value as a 3.5223. Press equals. We get the another approximation, that is 3.52233. Here x3 is nearly equal to x4, that is 3.52223. Hence the required root up to third decimal is 3.522. So here without this formula we directly find out by using the calculator. Okay. So here this is the problems. In the next class we discuss about the problems. Thank you.